Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made this awesome cream cheese flan, and I want to show you how I made it step by step so you can do this in your kitchen. I'll show you ingredients. I have 200 grams of cream cheese. I will use milk, half a cup or 120 milliliters, a can of condensed milk, it's a sweetened one, or 397 grams, evaporated milk, a can of 410 grams, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 6 eggs, and vanilla extract. So basic ingredients, as always. We are making this from scratch. I'm gonna put sugar in a pot and I'll put this on the stove and keep it there on low heat until it will melt away and we're gonna have an awesome caramel. I'm not stirring in it with any spoon or anything like that. Just shake the pot from time to time to make that sugar melt. So a bit of patience and this caramel will look like this. And I'm gonna pour this in the bundt cake tin in which I'm gonna bake the cake. Careful, this caramel is super hot, so careful. Now let's mix eggs. I'm gonna use mixer for this. You can use also whisk if you don't have a mixer, but with a mixer goes faster. I will add condensed milk that is sweetened. Add evaporated milk. Vanilla extract, of course, and milk. I'm using one with 3.5% fat and that awesome cream cheese, and mix everything once again. And I'm gonna pour this mixture in the tin over that caramel. I preheated already the oven at 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. As you can see, I put the bundt tin in another tray, and I'm gonna pour hot water halfway through in that tray, and this way I'm gonna bake the cake in the oven and in the preheated oven for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Make sure to do the toothpick test to see if it's completely baked, but looks awesome as you can see. And I'm gonna let it cool down completely before place it upside down on a plate. Make sure to put all that caramel back into the plate because it's delicious and we need it till the last drop. Keep the cake in the fridge at least 2-3 hours. I let it in the fridge until next day, so you need a bit of patience, and also you need some friends or family to help you eat this. Serve each portion with some of that yummy caramel, and I'm sure everyone will love this. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you're gonna make this and let me know what you thought in the comments down below. And until next time, I cannot wait to see you again here with another recipe or a workout. So until next time, find reasons to smile and stay safe. Bye!